Hey everyone. Okay, so I got my cell sampler in. So let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. So we got... Alright. Let me get out the little, our little chart here so we can tell you what we got. I don't even know. I didn't see any, I didn't even see any sneak peeks. Okay, you guys, I am an applicator. And, oh my gosh. So this iron cleaner is perfect. We in one of our soul samplers, we got the little iron cleaner. It was just like a one-time use. It works fantastic. It really does. So this is an iron cleaner. So wow, this is cool. It's a whole jug of it. I like that. Okay, so how much is this? This is $6.48. So it is, yeah, an iron cleaner. Okay, that's cool. That's really useful. Because, I mean, I'm sold. That was awesome to get that. Okay, and then we get, what is in here? Oh my gosh, it's a little vacuum. These are little vacuums, but this is a Fat Quarter Shop one. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? And then you have it here. So you can just, and then here's, oh, it already is on. Yep. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't have one like this. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so this is, how much is this one? This is the pink mini vacuum, and it is valued at $8.98. So $8.98. That's not too bad of a price. Oh, and we got Olfa Endurance. Nice. Another useful item. I like that. And those are valued at $14.98. That's $14.98. Those are great to have. How many do you get? One or two? One. You get one. Okay, and then let's see. And we get more of these peaceful baskets. Some more of those. And then, yeah, that's the little sample for that. Let me scoot that down, sorry. Okay. So you don't even need this. You can, you should just be able to, yeah, pick up stuff this way too. Oh, we get two of them. So we get two of these peaceful baskets. Okay, and those are valued at $4.98. So, oh no, $9.96. Huh, $9.96. $9.96 for these. And then this one is Waterfall. This is your quote pattern for the month, Waterfall. That's pretty. So what is our fabric? Oh, Brenda Therese. Or no, not Brenda, Sandy. It might be. Let me look. Let's see. Try and be careful. This, I keep calling her Brenda, but it's not. Oh my goodness. This is going to be, yep, Sandy Gervais, New Beginnings. Let's take it off. Let's look at it, because I'm gonna refold them anyways. Oh, this is beautiful, you guys. Beautiful. I love this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me put you in 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, this one is my favorite. Man, that is beautiful. So 10, and that is valued at $28.98. $28.98, and yeah, Sandy Gervais. All right, guys, pretty good. Yeah, I like this haul. This is another good one. Very, very useful. Love it. Good job, Soul Sampler. Still happy. All right, guys, talk to you in a bit. Bye.